Hello YouTube. Today I've gone for some chess pieces. I'm trying out my new printer, Elegoo Master 3, and I thought I'd try some miniature pieces with some detail in. As you can see, the white ones are like a lace and the black ones are like a spiral. So we'll just grab one here. Where are we? There we go. There's the king. And the king the other side is a bit smaller. Put him down there. And I'm also trying to print a chessboard. So I've got some puzzle pieces to put together. Some red and some white, so I thought I'd have a different colour board. I think I've got enough, but other than that, each one took 8.5 hours to print on the FDM printer. So you got like 16, 17 hours there. And these were, I don't know, about two hours or so. I quite like the lace ones, it's very delicate. And let's see if I can find one I had to repair. Where are we? Right, there's some green stuff on the bottom. What happened is I went mad with the scraper, forgetting that they were very delicate, and then I just lobbed the bottom off. So there's a king and a pawn. I knocked the bottoms off. So they're okay now. So sorry we're a bit late this week. It took me a little while to get the settings right on my new printer, and I'll be going back to the normal sort of stuff I do, but I just thought I'd do this as a change, and that's about it really. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.